are Team DNS, and we bring forward to you the PSP Pick, Sort and Place Bot, looking to efficiently bridge the gap of location-based items and subscription box-based manual packaging in the industry form the basis of our idea. Seeking excellent guidance and exposure from industry specialists like Dr. Farooq, our Delta mentors, and product manufacturers enabled us to cast a dream into reality. Our proposed design consists of a XYZ gantry-based pick and place system implementing an efficient item packaging algorithm which minimizes waste of space, fueled by Delta's motion and automation. Late night brainstorming, long days at manufacturing markets, fun debugging meets at college, and long research sessions. Nothing except the Delta competition could provide us with this experience during lockdown. By working in the workshop, working on designs and hardware, and trailing across manufacturing markets, we got educated on the practices of the industry and the scale of our project. Going to markets for hardware and material, getting them at good rates, comparing them, getting the labor ready for assembly, perfecting our models and structure were few highlights of the period. The major breakthrough was bridging the gap between the actual theoretical concepts studied and realized and visualizing them practically. Following are some of the key features that we tried to incorporate. Efficient algorithm, we tried to implement a custom 3D packaging algorithm for pick and place operation. This enables one to maximize the space available and reduce space wastage. The core feature of our project is a pick and place function from an incoming conveyor belt with variable sized items and placing them with maximum efficiency. The feature analysis of the items on the conveyor is done by Delta's machine vision system. For picking up variable sized light input items, the optimal solution is a suction based gripping system which we have implemented by utilizing the vacuum generated in a garden blower. Being inspired by the needs, magnificency, and transformation in the industry, we wish to extend on this project and transform it into a ready, fully fledged industry product. Extending our algorithm and making it more robust for different inputs and service parameters is one of our future idea. We also wish to integrate the absolute bot control and other device communications over advanced industrial IoT to make it more easier. Thank you for providing us with this wonderful opportunity to extend our vision and hope it helps somewhere towards turning tables for a small problem for a lot of people.